Hi everyone, today we're gonna solve other question and let's start what the question is asking for. Okay, the question is write a program that uses two lists of the same length. Then create a new list where the entry at each index I in the new list is the larger of the entries at index I of the user's two list. For instance, if the two lists are this 125 3 and 18 to 30, and then the new list is gonna look like 18 25 30. So when you look at that 125 3, 25 is the highest number. It's gonna come here because they are going to, so the question is asking for, there is two lists and each item has to be the highest value and pull into the new list. We're gonna create a new list, pull the highest number both of the list. Okay, let's start resolving the question. So two lists are given in the question, so we can directly paste them, and we're gonna call for loop again, for I in range length. So one of the length of the list is enough because both of them is 3, and it says that for I, so each I is gonna be the highest I. We're gonna append them into new list. So let's say new list can be called N with empty list. So we're gonna look at the Li. Li is gonna be 1, 25 and 3, right? For every iteration. For the first iteration, Li is 1, and the second iteration, Li 25, and the third iteration, Li is 3. And if Li is greater than Mi, which means the Mi is for the first iteration is 18, and the second iteration is 2, and the third iteration is 30. So we are checking the each element in different lists, which one is greater. So this is the condition that is gonna be run every round when the for loop is iterated. So we're gonna append the element of the list into our new list and append them. Li is gonna be appended if the condition is occurred. And right after that, we're gonna use else, and the else, which means that if the condition is not occurred, just append the Mi. Okay, let's print and new list. What the result is 18, 25 and 30. So in short, briefly, so we can see that we use for loop to iterate for each list, but we use L here and we iterate over L, and but it doesn't matter. The I here is the numbers range 0, 1, 2, right? So 0 is come here, L0 is 1, so Mi comes here, M0 is 18. They are compared if Li is greater than Mi, which is 1 greater than 18, and then we're gonna append Li. So the Li here 1. So this one it's not greater, so we are not gonna append. We're gonna append Mi, right? So this goes until end of the number of for loop is completed. Yeah, this is the question. So that's all. Thank you so much.